learn why proactive thinking skills are very important, crucial for your life to get successful. So if you are having pain of procrastination, you are not overcoming it, you should definitely learn proactive thinking skills. If you have a pain of perfectionism and you are not able to start any project, definitely you should learn proactive thinking skills. If you are not able to prioritize, make things happen on time, if you are not able to change your current state of life, okay, if you are not able to set your realistic goals, if you are not able to plan realistic goals, okay, if you are having pain of not knowing how to prioritize things in your life, in your projects, if you have a pain of like solving real uncertainty problems, so you should definitely learn proactive thinking skills.